And if you like today's warm weather, you're going to really like the next 3 or 4.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially if you like heat indices in the triple digits. It's going to get pretty hot out there as we continue to see plenty of sunshine and hazy sunshine as we take a look out on the Ho Chunk Center camera. We do have smoke throughout the region, some wildfire smoke from Canadian wildfires ongoing, and that again encompasses quite a bit of the region here. Not seeing much in the way of air quality impacts, although have started to see those on the decline just a touch from when I showed this map earlier. So we are continuing to watch that, and we'll watch that smoke start to dissipate through the next 24 hours or so. Our Friday morning looking to wake up to less in the way of hazy sunshine, although that smoke builds back in as we get those winds shifting out of the west, getting some California wildfire smoke in. But we do continue to stay sunny otherwise, with just a couple storms out to our west, not going to make it to us as we do continue to see high pressure there to our north and east, and temperatures in the 80s as we continue to see that sunshine. 83 in Sioux City, 82 in Cherokee, and 81 out through Storm Lake. And as we take a look out to the west, pretty much of the same temperatures in those low and mid 80s. So pretty seasonal, not a touch below, but where we really feel that heat coming in is the dew points sitting in the low and mid 60s. So adding that mugginess to the air today, feeling a bit more humid with 66 in Ida Grove for that dew point off those easterly winds for us, those east-southeasterly winds between 5 and 15 miles an hour, seeing 11 miles an hour through Canton, Sioux Falls, down into Wayne, and then 10 miles an hour here in Sioux City. So continuing to see some slightly breezy winds out there as we take a look at Stormcast, and a low pressure is approaching the area. We do see it slip to the south and not quite make it to us, so could though see a spotty shower or storm through our Saturday, with this trough of low pressure pushing into the area, but not looking at really a whole lot of impact from that. And then for tonight, clear and quiet. We do again stay clear and quiet tonight. 62 degrees, those winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour, although could see a bit of patchy fog in some spots once again for our morning tomorrow, before we see those temperatures rise into the upper 80s, seeing those heat indices between 95 and 100 degrees. So going to be just the tip of the iceberg with that heat. And then we see Saturday even hotter, temperatures into the low 90s, mid 90s heading into Sunday as well, with heat indices both days between 100 and 110 degrees. So a hot one on the way for the weekend. Going to want to make sure you stay hydrated and check on those children, those pets, those more elderly neighbors and friends as well. And then for guest weather tomorrow too, going to be a hot one if you are headed out to Wayne. 88 degrees for our day tomorrow, 93 for our Saturday, with plenty of sunshine Saturday into Sunday. Although again, going to be hot with those heat indices into the triple digits, and finally starting to see that heat back off into Monday for that Sioux County Youth Fair. Temperature at 90, but still seeing a little bit of heat as clouds start to build back in. We start to see some spotty shower and storm chances as temperatures fall into next week. Temperatures at 81 by midweek. And then for that guest weather on Thursday, looking at those low 80s before we get another little burst of heat starting to build back in as we head into next weekend. Looking at several hot days, finally starting to feel more like summer after a cooler into June, cooler start to July, Tim.